Healing a broken church, addressing the crisis. Pope Francis's papacy has been defined by his bold and compassionate approach to addressing the deep crises within the Catholic Church. One of the most challenging issues he faced was the widespread sexual abuse scandals, which had rocked the church and shattered the trust of millions. For many, this was the defining test of his leadership. Instead of ignoring the issue or attempting to cover it up, Pope Francis took immediate and decisive action to restore accountability within the institution. He created a commission to address abuse, focusing on transparency, reform, and healing. His efforts to hold those responsible accountable while also supporting the victims reflected his commitment to morale and ethical leadership. Pope Francis's approach wasn't just about fixing the image of the church, it was about ensuring that such tragedies would never happen again. His leadership during this difficult time was controversial to some, but served as a clear signal that the church was going to confront its darkest secrets head on. By bringing these issues into the light, Pope Francis also demonstrated the importance of accountability in leadership. His willingness to address uncomfortable truths, no matter how painful, showcased his strength and commitment to reforming the church. In times of crisis, true leaders show up with accountability and a willingness to heal. Pope Francis teaches us that facing uncomfortable truths head-on is necessary for growth and restoration. Pope Francis' commitment to transparency and reform reminds us that true leadership is not about avoiding difficult issues, but about confronting them with courage, humility, and a commitment to justice.